Are you looking for how to fix messenger call problem? In this video, I show you how to fix messenger call problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for messenger, update messenger. If available, update. Then download any VPN. Now click on open, accept. Now click on connect. Okay. Now go to settings. Then go to apps or application management. Click on apps. Now find out messenger app. Click on messenger. Scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache only. Force stop. Click on permission. Allow or permission. Now open messenger app. Click on messenger. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix messenger call problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my site.